Imagine waking up to a reversed world. The sun, instead of rising in the east, emerges from the west. This perplexing image, often linked to prophecies and end-time scenarios, has captivated imaginations for centuries. Could this celestial shift actually happen? Let's delve into the science and separate fact from fiction. To understand why the sun's path is so reliable, we need to examine Earth's magnetic field. This invisible force acts as a protective shield against harmful solar radiation. Generated deep within our planet, this field extends far into space, forming a magnetosphere that deflects charged particles from the sun. The magnetic field's strength and direction are not constant. They are influenced by the movement of molten iron in Earth's outer core. This dynamic creates two magnetic poles, north and south, which are not fixed but rather wander over time. These magnetic poles, while not geographically aligned with the Earth's axis, are close to the north and south poles. The magnetic North Pole is situated in the Arctic Ocean, while the magnetic South Pole is located off the coast of Antarctica. Despite their proximity to the geographic poles, they are distinct and separate entities. Interestingly, they are not stationary. Unlike the geographic poles, which remain fixed, the magnetic poles are in constant motion. This movement is influenced by the dynamic nature of the Earth's molten outer core, which generates the magnetic field. Over time, they drift, and scientists have documented significant shifts in their positions throughout Earth's history. For instance, the magnetic North Pole has been moving at an average rate of 10 kilometers per year over the past century. This drift is not uniform and can vary in speed and direction. This phenomenon, known as magnetic pole shift, has fueled speculation about its potential to reverse the Earth's rotation and cause the sun to rise in the west. However, such dramatic changes are not supported by scientific evidence. The magnetic field's behavior is complex and not fully understood, but it does not have the power to alter the planet's rotation. However, it's crucial to understand the nature of these shifts. They are part of the Earth's natural processes and have been occurring for millions of years. The magnetic field itself is a protective shield, deflecting harmful solar radiation and cosmic rays. Magnetic pole shifts are gradual processes that occur over thousands of years, not sudden events. These shifts are detected through careful monitoring and analysis of the Earth's magnetic field. Scientists use satellite data, ground-based observations, and historical records to track these changes. While they can cause compass needles to point slightly off, they do not impact the Earth's rotation. The magnetic field's fluctuations are a testament to the dynamic nature of our planet's interior. Understanding these changes helps scientists predict future movements and their potential impacts on navigation and communication systems. The sun's daily journey across our sky is a result of Earth's rotation on its axis. This rotation is a fundamental property of our planet, unaffected by the meandering of magnetic poles. The Earth spins from west to east, and this consistent motion dictates the direction from which the sun appears each morning. Therefore, no matter how far or in which direction the magnetic poles wander, they cannot alter this fundamental rotation. The sun will continue to rise in the east, regardless of magnetic fluctuations. Section 5. Beyond the literal. If the sun rising in the west is scientifically impossible, how do we interpret the prophecies and ancient texts that mention this phenomenon? These texts, often shrouded in mystery and written in a language that transcends time, challenge our conventional understanding of the world. They invite us to delve deeper, to look beyond the surface and seek the hidden meanings within. Perhaps these pronouncements are not meant to be taken literally. Instead, they might be guiding us towards a more profound truth, one that is not immediately apparent. The ancients often used allegory and metaphor to convey complex ideas, knowing that the literal mind might miss the essence of their teachings. Instead, they could be metaphors, symbolic representations of profound change or upheaval. The sun, a universal symbol of life and energy, reversing its course could signify a dramatic transformation, a turning point in human history or consciousness. It might represent the end of an era and the beginning of a new one, a shift in paradigms that alters the very fabric of our reality. Consider the possibility that the reversal of the sun's path signifies a dramatic shift in the world order, a fundamental change in human understanding. This could be a call to awaken from our slumber, to recognize the signs of the times and prepare for the changes ahead. It might be urging us to rethink our values, our beliefs, and our place in the universe. A fundamental change in human understanding. one that challenges the status quo and invites us to explore new horizons. This shift could be intellectual, emotional, or spiritual, pushing us to grow and evolve in ways we never imagined. It might be a call to unity, to come together as a global community and face the challenges of our time with wisdom and compassion. Or even a spiritual awakening. Such an awakening could lead to a deeper connection with ourselves, each other, and the natural world. It might inspire us to live more harmoniously, to seek balance and peace in our lives. By embracing this possibility, we open ourselves to a richer, more meaningful existence. By looking beyond the literal interpretation, we open ourselves to a deeper understanding of these ancient messages. We begin to see the wisdom they hold, the lessons they offer, and the guidance they provide. In doing so, we honor the legacy of those who came before us and pave the way for future generations to continue the journey of discovery and enlightenment. Section 6. Our real challenges. While the idea of the sun rising in the west is intriguing, it remains a fascinating but fictional concept. In reality, we face challenges that are far more pressing and immediate. Let's not be distracted from the very real challenges facing our planet. These challenges are not just theoretical, they are happening right now, affecting millions of lives and ecosystems across the globe. Climate change, with its far-reaching consequences, demands our immediate attention. Rising sea levels, extreme weather events, and disruptions to ecosystems are stark reminders of the urgent need for action. The melting of glaciers is not just a distant phenomenon, it directly impacts sea levels, which in turn threaten coastal communities with flooding and erosion. These events are not isolated incidents but part of a larger pattern of environmental degradation. Flooded streets and damaged homes from increasingly severe storms are becoming more common, and deforestation continues to strip the planet of its vital green cover. Instead of dwelling on hypothetical celestial events, we must turn our gaze back to Earth. The night sky may be full of wonders, but our immediate concern should be the health of our own planet. Let's focus our energy and resources on addressing this pressing issue. Renewable energy projects, community efforts to plant trees, and the widespread adoption of solar panels are steps in the right direction. These initiatives not only help reduce our carbon footprint but also foster a sense of community and shared responsibility. By understanding the science of climate change and supporting sustainable practices, we can make informed decisions that benefit both the environment and society. Educational workshops and scientific research are crucial in spreading awareness and developing innovative solutions. We can work towards a healthier and more secure future for our planet. Imagine a world where lush green forests thrive, coral reefs are vibrant, and children can play in clean, safe parks. This vision is achievable if we commit to making sustainable choices today. Section 7. A call to action. The sun rising in the west might make for compelling science fiction, but it's not a scientific reality. Let's embrace critical thinking and scientific literacy to navigate the world around us. Be curious, ask questions, and seek evidence-based answers. If this exploration of the sun, Earth's magnetic field, and the power of metaphorical interpretation has sparked your curiosity, delve deeper, explore the resources available, engage in discussions, and continue to learn about the wonders of our universe. Section 8. Exploring further. For a deeper dive into these fascinating topics, check out the following resources. NASA's website, where you can explore a wealth of information on Earth's magnetic field, solar activity, and space exploration. Scientific journals, which offer research papers on magnetic pole shifts, climate change, and other scientific phenomena. And educational documentaries to expand your knowledge with captivating documentaries on astronomy, physics, and earth science. Remember, knowledge is power. Let's use it to understand, appreciate, and protect our planet.